Real dark and dirty. Gonna get a little dirty.
Country Diggers here. Today I want to do some painting of my guns, my cap guns. Some of these I bought, some of these I dug. And I wanted to learn how to restore. Okay, this one is a 1950s Stevens Pioneer cap gun. 1950 Stevens Pioneer cap gun. And it's got the S on the handle right in there. I did spray it with, well, I didn't spray it. I put on some of this true metal aluminum stuff that you can put on metal and stuff. I did not put a primer on it. I've got a primer. It just came in this morning. But as far as I know, you can paint stuff without a primer, and it turns out just as good. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. It's supposed to be a black handle right here, so I'm gonna have to get some more paint and paint that up with a black handle. But I think it turned out pretty neat. Okay, what I did was put that on there, let it dry overnight, and then it's like a wax, and you wax it off. But I think that turned out pretty good. I did strip this one before I painted it. Stripped it of the, right down to the basic metal on it. So, but anyway, I'm going to show you how I did it. All right, we'll start with this one. It's a, well, when I get them cleaned up good, I guess I can tell what it is. But it's got an Indian right there. I'll have to get some bone kind of paint to paint that one up. But I'm going to paint this one with this stuff too, this true metal, and I'll show you how to do it. All right. Okay, I may have to strip this one down if it doesn't work. Strip it down to the base metal, but we'll see. All right, get you a sponge like that. You can buy them at Walmart in a big pack for cheap. Okay, and what I did was I put this on the sponge right here. A little bit on the sponge, and you just slop it on there. I did it like that, you know, just doing it like that. And when this dries, it says let it dry, and I will show y'all how to get like how to wax it and stuff. But this is how I'm doing it right now. I was gonna try it on my real gun. I don't know if it'll work on it, but the real revolver I found, 1880 revolver I found while metal detecting, and I will see if that works on that. I may have to strip the metal down too, because I didn't do a very good job on cleaning it, because I didn't know how at the time. When I first found it, I didn't know how. but we'll see how it works out. All right. If these need another coat, I can go back and put another coat on it too, without the primer or anything. But I am gonna get some like bone paint for these kind of handles, and some black paint for the black handles. Okay. And it says you can smudge it on with your fingers, or or a sponge or cotton or anything like that, but I'm doing it with the sponge. Okay. And I'm getting my fingers and hands messy in the process, but. All right, how's that look to y'all? Does that look good? I know I got some on the handle, and I'll fix that when I get some more paint. But I think it looks pretty good, y'all. I'm gonna do the rest of them like that, and then I'll come back and show y'all the result. All right. You know what? I thought I would do this one too. I found this not long ago. It's a 1920s to 1940s ashtray, and it either had a glass insert in it right there or a metal insert. I'm not sure which one, but that's a like a Chinese god, and it's got the dragon right here and everything, the sword, kind of cool looking. So I'm gonna try and do it. I'm gonna try and do this with it. All right, let's see what it turns out. I hope I'm totally not messing these things up, because these are like pretty cool. All right. Just get him in there real good. And we'll see how he turns out when he dries, and I wax him up good. I hope y'all see him good. Just go round and round and put it on. I tell you, this is a little tube, and it is like, I paid like, it was like $6 for a small tube like this, plus, plus shipping. I don't know if I could have got it for cheaper. I got it at Walmart. I mean, not Walmart, but eBay. I don't know if I could have got it cheaper somewhere else or not. But, and yeah, shipping is what gets you these days. This will wash off, okay? It'll wash off your hands. Let's do the back of them. Why don't I shut y'all off while I finish him up? Y'all get the gist of it, don't you? Alright, y'all, here's how my guns turned out, my cap guns. They turned out really good, I think. Look, and this, that right there, that turned out wonderful. Look at that. That turned out great. And I had run out of the little tube of that stuff, of the metal stuff. And so I had got this one out and did it with that. This one's spray paint. And I went over all of them again with the spray paint. This metallic, ultra cover paint plus primer, Rust-Linoleum, American Accents, metallic, bonds to plastic, wood, metal, and more. But anyway, that's the kind I'm going to start getting right there instead of that little tube, because it don't last long at all. So, but every one of them turned out great. This one's my real one. I bet you I messed that one up doing it like that, I think. My real gun. Yep, I bet I messed it up doing it like that, my real one. But the rest, the cap guns turned out great. I mean, look at that. That was my first one I showed you, the Pioneer one. And all these cap guns are probably like 1950s, 40s, 50s, 60s, something like that. And I will go over the history of the cap guns. I did one on the one I found in Florida. Look at that one. This is the one I dug in Florida at a railroad dump in Florida. And I did a history on the Kilgore cap guns, and that's what that is, a Kilgore. But I will go through and do a history on every one of these. When I get time, I will. But they turned out great. Look at that. I will have to get some paint and paint the handles. Do some paint on the handles. Because some of them are like the black handles. And some of them are the bone handles. But it did a great job on them. Like I said, I dug some of these and I bought some of them. This one, I bought this one. And I bought this one. I bought this one and that one. 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 Right there. And I dug this one. This one. This one. This one, which is a real one, but I think I kind of messed it up. And I dug that one and that one. But look at this one. I dug this one in our old trailer place where we used to have a trailer. And look, I dug that one a couple of years ago. That one turned out great. It's a smoky. And it's got the bull on it. But I tell you, that's wonderful stuff. That right there it will work wonders. Like I said, I do have to get the paint and paint the handles and stuff, so I'll do that one next time. But I'm happy with it. I'm happy the way it turned out, except for my real one. I probably shouldn't have did that to my real one. But you live and you learn, right? All right. See you back soon. Bye.